seeing the original Starbucks was very anticlimactic. Not gonna lie. We're here. Alright, so I'm back at the same spot as I think last year, and there is like no line, literally no line. And there we go, the infamous Pike Place Chowder. I'm dead. It's fucking closed. That was an insanely turn of events, so I guess I don't get to eat today. Just kidding. Let's find somewhere else to eat. That's what I'm expecting. Just kidding. There. Yeah. Yeah, choices are so hard.
It's super light. And
I was literally right there when I took my last video. So flashback to those moments. Anyways, we should eat these pastries now. I'm gonna show you guys, do a pastry haul.
and now they're staring at me. I went overboard, huh? I was like, let's get everything. And we don't have water. I just realized that. Like, how are we gonna eat this without water?
Let me give you guys some sense of direction. We're gonna be eating over there. Over there. We can go here.
Yeah.
This is some cool thing. I forgot what you called. Do you remember what it's called? I don't know any of these names, so this might not be helpful. But just when you see a cone-looking, little pastry-looking, sugar-looking thing, it smells like butter. I have tried this. I don't know what it is, but it's like literally air. It's just like Madeline's. I'm gonna stop recording because I haven't ate the next one. This is the chocolate. They're roasted. It's a good sign. Okay, so this is the. Oh, their technique is slicing it. It's not a filling, it's just a slice. But anyways, so here it goes. So this is a chocolate almond thing. I'm hungry. Oh my. Alright, I need to stop. I'm gonna bite it a couple more times and then I'll try the next one, okay? Quick update. I would have rathered that thing, that, what's it called, almond chocolate thing. Yeah, that's chocolate on my face. Classic. Without chocolate. And she actually did have an option without chocolate, but I was just like, no, let's try chocolate. Ew, that was disturbing. I'm gonna blur that out. Alright, so, yeah. Dude, this is the cauliflower one with the cheese. Yeah. Low-key down. This is the only thing I actually wanted. And this is what I actually went for. Oh my god. I love savory things. so good. Darian, I think you're gonna like this. In the following video, you're gonna see like food all over my face, and all I can say is that I eat with my whole face, literally. Yeah, that's it. I chew so much. What if I told you there's one more? Wait, there's still that. Hold on, I meant to like take out something else. Oh, there we go. I already don't like macaroons, so I don't even know why I got this, honestly. I have this rule where I will try a food like at least 8 times before I say I don't like it. So it's actually gross. I don't know, there's something weird about this. I don't like it. Like, I actually do not like it. It's good, but it's not something I could see myself eating a lot. Yeah, that's our tutorial of the day. Tutorial? I don't even know what this is called. Our food haul. I don't know what this is. Alright, bye guys. If you guys want to try it out, it's called Le Panier.
Le panier.
Le Panier? Oh, this is a perfect shot because I was actually here last time. And there was so much going on here. Alright, that's it. So this is what we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat the crab pot, and we are gonna get the Alaskan because it has king crab, which we love, but we usually eat it the Burbank boiling crab. But guess what? I moved. I'm in Washington now, so our option is gonna be the crab pot. Darian said this is Washington's version. Will it stand up to win the award? I'll show you guys the food when it's here. It's a beautiful view though, the water, the air. Oh yeah. Well, look how cute I I have mixed feelings because of the high expectations I had with boiling crab. Butter. Tabasco this time. Sorry.
Hard, baby. Okay, go with it.
Screw it. I always use my teeth for everything. Then you get the butter. Saturate it. Dinner served. Do you guys really want to watch me eat all day? No. You guys are probably gonna get hungry yourselves. So go out and eat later. Just kidding, that was fake. I would never burp in public. Guys.
Honest review, please.
Honestly, I didn't like it. I wouldn't go back, honestly. I really wouldn't go back. As you can tell from the video. I'm gonna put a montage of me like saying, oh, I didn't like it, but I still like finished it, you know? But I didn't like it. Okay. Other than the fact that I'm like hella bloated now. If you guys have gone to Boiling Crab, this is like a 0.5 star out of 10. Honestly, like, nothing was that flavorful. The shrimp, I almost had hope for it. And then it really like disappointed me. Because like some of it was like overcooked and it was like the shell was so overcooked it stuck. Honestly, there was nothing that like stung. Like I can't even tell you what was actually that good. Like at all. Like there's no good dipping sauce, nothing. I don't know, I just didn't like it. Done that damage. Oh my god. We don't play with our food usually.